Hello guys, let's create getting things done platform in. So what this is going to help us is create a platform where we can actually process all our stuff. So let me just give you the overview. First thing is capture, next is clarify, organize, engage. These are the steps. Let's go one after the other. The very first one is capture. I need to have system capture and it will, or I can say now here we can add the stuff. Just understand. This is our inbox. This is where we're going to capture everything to clarify. Clarify is just asking questions, making sure that we are getting in the right area. The very first thing is it actionable or not? So if something is non, then or maybe something is not necessarily chart. If it is an actionable item, then we're going to question what is the next. Will it take less than? I'm going to keep this box. It is not a 2 minute action. What we have to do is and under our name, we will be the person responsible. There you go. Not somebody else that we're going to delegate. These are non-actionable. If these are on a, then either find a deadline. But what if having more than 2 minutes? Then we have to create it as a new already project. Go ahead inside and we can. Here we can actually if it is a project, then we're gonna add it into projects list. Now this thing, because we have covered a lot of things here, whether it is actionable or not. If it is not actionable, then we're going to decide whether it is someday or maybe type of thing or a reference. If it is actionable, we need to determine whether it is a 2 minute action or not. Then we have to understand whether someone else is responsible or we are responsible. And if it is on our plate, then we have to decide either to assign a due date or a calendar to do that task at a specific time, or we have to give a necessary, we have to determine the next actions. If we have determined our next, then what, then this way we can actually just for this. That is one way to look at it. This is a good enough area where we can, if based on organizing, this can be select and these question questioning things, all sorts of. And finally, guys, with this in mind, own platform where you can process your stuff, clear your inbox. Getting things done is a great way to enhance your productivity and also reduce the cognitive load that is holding in your mind. Go ahead and take certain steps to make sure that you are actually performing well. Thank you very much, guys.